Bitget transaction history. Find every trade and transfer. This is how to view your transaction history on Bitget. In this video, I will show you how to check your transaction history on Bitget exchange. I'll be using my Bitget app. As soon as you open Bitget, it will show you home. So this is home. Since you want to get transaction history of your asset, the way you transfer, the way you withdraw, you click asset. So for you to know your transaction history, you come to this place, you click spot. You can see I've tapped spot. After you have tapped spot, you come to this symbol. Look at this symbol. You tap this symbol. You tap it. You can see transaction history. On that you see home. So this is all my transaction history. You won't have no deleted home Bitget. For you to sort it very well, you can check for transaction history for deposit. You click deposit. It will show like this. You can check for transaction history for withdraw. You can check for transaction history for transfers, and that is investment on Bitget for bought or copied trade for collateral. So this is where you find all the transaction history, and you can also sort it by clicking here. If you have multiple transactions, you can use this to sort it in the last 7 days, in the last 30 days, in the last 90 days. Maybe you are looking for one transaction, you can use this one between years. To sort the transaction, you just click confirm, and you can reset all these settings. You can use the reset button. So you now know how to check your transaction history on Bitget exchange using Bitget app. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comments, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.